Hi teens, Jane, the Teen Librarian here at Lewisboro Library, and this week's Teen Grab and Go Kit are the fixins for a mug cake. In your kit, you'll have a Ziploc bag with flour, sugar, cocoa, salt, and baking soda, and then another little bag with some fun add-ins to experiment with, which will include some Andes mints, some little pretzels, and some caramels. What you'll need to provide is a microwavable mug, some milk, oil, vanilla, and a little water. So let's get right down to making that mug cake. What you'll do is take your Ziploc with the dry ingredients that's in your kit, and you're going to empty that right into your microwavable mug. Then we're going to add in the ingredients you have at home, which is going to be 3 tablespoons of milk. Let's see if I can do this without making more of a mess. This is a tablespoon. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 tablespoons of oil. Woo! 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of water. It's a good thing I have this big, huge pitcher of water, isn't it? Okay, that was a little extra. I don't think it's gonna be a tragedy. And a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now I'm taking the teaspoon, the smaller spoon, and I'm eyeballing it. What would be one? See, this is why this is STEAM, this is math, this is good. I'm calling that 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna mix them with whatever spoon, mixing it up. And this is the fun part. I'm gonna put in an add-in. I'm gonna put some pretzels in because sweet and salty can be really tasty. And I'm just gonna experiment what happens. Mix them in there, and now we go to the microwave. Okay, this is where the magic happens. I've mixed my ingredients in my microwavable mug. I'm over here at the microwave, and I'm cooking for 1 minute and 45 seconds. 1, 4, 5. Start. Stand back. Ready. I can smell it. Being careful in case it's hot. Ooh, looks kind of good. All right, let's try a taste test. It's very hot. Ooh, and I got some of my pretzel. There we go. Really hot, but really good. Very chocolatey. Yum. I hope you like it too.